Hi children, come on. Are you ready? Are you ready to learn English? Okay. Today we are going to study the concept of is and are. Okay children, is and are. Before that, let me ask you what you learned about the last class. Children, what you studied in the last class? Do you remember what you studied in the last class? You studied what? You studied about one and many. Do you remember? One and many padichittille? Yeah, one and many. All of you? Look at the board, children. What is this? What is this? This is a tree. How many trees are here? How many trees are here? Only one, no? One. Here? One or many? Many trees. No children? Many trees. I am going to teach you one sentence. Okay? This is a tree. Okay children, what is this? How many trees are here? This is a tree. Only one tree, no? This. Capital T. T-H-I-S. When you start writing a sentence, you should write with a capital letter. Okay children, capital letter we will word and sentence start. Okay, this, keep some distance. This is a tree. T-R-E-E. After you writing, put a full stop. Okay, or a full stop. Or a sentence complete full stop. Okay, this is a tree. This is a singular sentence. Okay, this means one. If there is one object, we will use this. Okay children, one object onnu maatra ullengi nammal endu use cheyum? This. Okay, this is a tree. Okay, this sentence change into plural, onnil koodal, more than one. Okay, more than one. This will change these, capital T H-E-S-E. Okay children, what will say? These, T-H-E-S-E. Tell me children, how will say this word? T-H-E-S-E. These. This is, no, either this is onna idonde. Is change into plural are. Okay, are. These are. A-R-E, are. These are. Kore ulladu unde. These. Okay, orenna anagi nammal this parayum. Idu these. These are. What are these? What are these? Trees. No, trees. These are trees. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Then put a full stop. These are trees. Next, what is this? What is this? This is a cat. How many cats are here? One. No. Appo engane parayum? How will say? Yeah, this is a cat. This capital T. T-H-I-S. This. Okay. This is. I-S. Is. This is a. This is a what? Cat. Cat. What's the spelling of cat? Yeah, C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Full stop. This is a cat. This is a cat. Change into plural. How many cats are here? Etra cats under? More than one. No. If there are more than one objects, so we will use these. What? These. These. What's the spelling of these? T-H-E-S-E. These. These is parayile. These is parayila. Ivade this. This inde kuda maatrame is cherkollu. Okay. This is a singular sentence. Singular object. No. This. This is. Ivade more than one. These are. Okay children. These are cats. Cats. Cat ennu parayilla karanam onnil koodudal undu adonde cats. S. Add S. Full stop. Okay. These are cats. What are these? These are cats. Next, what is this, children? What is this? This is a ball. T-H-I-S. What's the spelling of this? T-H-I-S. This in the code appa thanna varanam endu. This is. This is. This is. Idu nammal this ennu parayum. Idu korchu neettittu parayum. These. This. These. This. These. Okay. This is a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Full stop. This is a ball. What are these? What are these? These are balls. Okay. These. Spell the word. T. Say loud. Say loud, my cuties. T-H-E-S-E. These. These are. Okay. Are. These are what? Balls. B-A-L-L-S. Then put a full stop. These are balls. Okay, children. Next, what is this? What is this, children? This is a bird. This is a bird. T-H-I-S. This is a, what's the spelling of bird, children? Bird. Bird and the area spelling B-I-R-D. Bird. This is a bird. What are these? These are birds. Okay. These are birds. T-H-E-S-E. These in the code endu varanam are. These are birds. Birds. B-I-R-D. Next. Yeah. S. These are birds. Okay, children. These are birds. Next, what is this? Teacup. No. Tea. Chai udikina cup. Okay. What is this? This is a cup. This. T-H-I-S. This is a, what's the spelling of cup? C. C-A-P cup. Is it correct? C-A-P cap. No. C-A-P cap. Cup. What's the spelling of cup? C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Next, what are these? These are cups. 4 cups. No, more than one. These are cups. These. T-H-E-S-C. These are cups. C-U-P-S. Okay. These are cups. Did you understand, children? Next. Children, see. What is this? What is this? This is a sweet. No. What are these? What are these? These are sweets. This is a sweet. These are sweets. What is this? What is this? This is a bead. Bead. Big bead. Okay. This is a big bead. What are these? These are beads. Muttagal. Okay. These are more than one. Makkale ശരിക്കും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണേ. ഒന്നെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ this is a bead. These are beads. Next, what is this? What is this? What is this? നമ്മൾ ലൈറ്റ് ഒക്കെ പോകുമ്പം ചില വീടുകൾ കത്തിക്കില്ലേ നമ്മൾ. Okay, this is a candle. What is this? This is a candle. What are these? These are candles. These are candles. This is a candle. These are candles. Okay, children, did you understand? All take your English text page number 54. Take soon. Is are. What is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. These are 8 birds. How many birds are here? 8 birds. Okay. These are 8 birds. Next. What is this? Tell me. This is a book. Very good. What are these? Idanta ivide. These are bananas. These are bananas. Bananas. More than one. Onnil koodalulappo nammal endu cheyanam? Yes. Pinne these are more than one. Okay. Turn the next page. Fill in the blanks with is or are. Say the sentences, children. These dash 3 buses. These dash. Use is or are. ഇവിടെ ഏതാ വരിക? is ആണോ are ആണോ? Here 3 buses are here. Yeah, are. These are. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ വരുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് വരും? is അല്ലല്ലോ. ഒന്നിനല്ലേ നമ്മൾ is പറയുക? More than one is plural. No. Are. A-R-E-R. What's the spelling of are? Look at the board and say A-R-E-R. Okay? A-R-E-R. Okay, children? These are 3 buses. Write the spell are here. Okay? Next, what is this? This dash a house. This is a house or this are a house? How many houses are here? Only one? No. This is. Okay? This is. Write the spell is here. With a blank. Okay? Next, these dash 6 roses. How many roses are here? 6 roses. These, what we'll use here? Is or are? Yeah, very good children. These are. More than one. No. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ are എന്നാ പറയുക. A-R-E-R. You write the spell are here. Next, these dash 5 slices of bread. Breadന്റെ slices കണ്ടില്ലേ? These is ആണോ ഇവിടെ are ആണോ? These more than one. Yeah. These are 5 slices of bread. Okay, children? All take your worksheet. Take fast. Is under page number 27. This dash a rose. This is a rose. These dash roses. This is your homework. Okay, children? All of you must study well. See you next class. Bye-bye.